Big story that we're tracking at this point. A day after DMK Chief Karunanidhi underwent surgery in Kaveri Hospital of Chennai, Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi will now meet him in the hospital. Karunanidhi's condition is now stable. Rahul Gandhi is expected to reach the hospital at 11:30 a.m. today. Let me go across to Shabir for a fresh update on this. Yes, Shabir, first of all, update us on the health condition of Karunanidhi and what arrangements made for Rahul Gandhi's visit.
Well, according to hospital sources, Karunanidhi's condition is stable, though he has some kind of issues. And yesterday, he went some kind of procedure and some kind of surgery was done. But doctors say that his condition is stable. And yesterday, he was watching movies and he has been, he is responding to treatment is what we have been hearing from the hospital sources. And we are expecting that there will be some kind of fresh medical bulletin on former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. And also Rahul Gandhi, the Vice President of Congress, is expected to be there at the Kaveri Hospital to meet him to inquire about his health, because this is the first time Rahul Gandhi is meeting Karunanidhi, because even the DMK leaders have constantly complained that whenever Rahul Gandhi travels to Chennai for various other political events, he has carefully consciously avoided meeting the DMK chief. In fact, he was okay meeting with Kanimozhi or with MK Stalin, but he has consciously avoided meeting DMK chief. But this is the first time he will be meeting. In fact, even when the DMK chief had travelled to Delhi, we could only get pictures of him, or we could only see pictures of him meeting Congress President Sonia Gandhi, but there has not been a single picture of DMK chief with Rahul Gandhi. So this is one of the rare meetings that is expected to take place here in Chennai, and we are hoping that there will be a picture or a press note that will be released regarding this meeting. But as of now, what we understand is that preparations are underway at the Kaveri Hospital. The SPG teams have been have taken over the place to ensure that Rahul Gandhi visits does not have any kind of cause any kind of inconvenience for the other patients in the hospital.
Yes.
So all preparations are being done, but there is definitely some kind of expectation that Rahul Gandhi will talk about various other
so this
issues
is a goodwill gesture, but then the optics will also have other significance. We will talk about that with you, Shabir, subsequently as we track this story. Many thanks for joining us.